Assalamualaikum guys. In this video we are talking about another types of Matplotlib charts, that is bar chart. So before much further ado, subscribe this channel with all due respect and also hit the bell icon to never miss an update. So I want to print out a bar chart. It is simply to print out the details of the data. So a bar chart or is one of the most common type of plot. It shows the relationship between a numerical value and a categorical value. So a bar chart represents categorical data with a rectangular bar. As the bar word, it represents by the rectangular bars. So let me just print out what the bar chart really is to understand you the complete thing. So before much further ado, I want to import here the prestigious library, that is Matplotlib. Let me guys remind you that if you are a data scientist, it is one of the useful techniques that to be done by a data scientist. Since it is to visualize data scientists use much more this kind of concepts. So stay tuned with this channel to learn a little bit data science. So by what? Matplotlib.pyplot as P, as I done in the previous videos. So it's completely imported to the library Matplotlib. So let me print out the data of our bar chart. Simply I want to print out a bar chart to define the marks of previous examinations. So let me print out the first label. Labels is my variable, and that have to be stored the values I give in here. So the first value is French. The second value is Spanish. Not Spanish, let's say Urdu. Okay, Urdu. And the second one is obviously mathematics. And the third one would be fourth one would be physics. Okay, physics. And the fifth one would be chemistry, most probably. Yes, chemistry. Okay. Chemistry here, chemistry, chemistry. And another one is the last one, let's say computer science. Okay, computer science. It is also done. Let me just open the braces and closes there. Square bracket have to be closed in here, and here a column lifted, and that has to be filled in, and that is also filled. And let me give the another value, that is variable, that is marks, and that value would be, let's say 80 in French, 90 in Urdu, and 99 in mathematics, physics 98, chemistry 97, computer sciences 98. So this would be my marks. Let me position the value of y position in the y value. Y positions is equals to range of the length Here len is a keyword used to define the length of the labels. Here the labels length would be defined by the label variable itself. So let me print out p bar. Here the bar keyword is used to print out the bar chart in the program. Positions and also the use marks. It contains, since it gives us in the blue code, it means that your chart is successfully created. So in order to print out the chart, let me first give out the x label, and that would be let's say x ticks, and that ticks would be by position and labels. Y underscore position and labels. It seems to be our chart is successfully created. So I want to print out the Y label that is marks, let's say subjects. It gives me, okay, here I done a mistake. P dot in this value, in this position, p dot y label, and that would be subject. Okay, it is successfully created. And also the title I want to give here, title mark list. It is mark list. It is created successfully. Our chart is created. Let me just have to print out the last thing, that is to show out the chart, that is to show the keyword show and the function. Oh my god, it completely shows out the chart. This is how a bar chart is. Bar chart simply means with space, rectangular with space. A histogram is nothing but it is none of the spaces. It doesn't have any space. Instead of it gets sticked together, it gets attracted together. So that's how you can able to print out the bar chart simply using tricks. It is one of the most basic chart that can be done by yourself. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much for everything, for watching this video, and thank you very much for everything, and make me happy to subscribe this channel. Also like out all videos. Thank you so much for everything.